Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are unique. Today we'll be giving you simple tips on how to use tomatoes and also sugar to make your simple facial scrub. So let's begin.
Guys, you people know that this is summertime. You need something that will make your face to be relaxed, to make your face to be beautiful, to make your face to be brighter. After a stressful day at work, you need to relax and make your face to be fresh
and also relax. Then you also need to make your face look healthy and also look younger, and the only way you can do this is by using tomato and sugar as your facial scrub. After you must have finished doing all the stressful day work, and probably the sun is hitting directly to your face, then you need this immediately you get home. So if you don't know how to make use of it, or if you don't know how it works, or if you don't know the importance of tomatoes and sugar in your skin, I will be telling you that today.
For some time now, for this summer time, I'll be using a tomato and sugar to scrub my face because of the too much sun, and I don't want my face to have burn in my face because of the too much sun and the too much heat, and
also the
stress at work. That's why I'll be using this a tomato and sugar to at least make my face to relax and look fresh and young. You people can see my face, how my face look fresher, because morning before going to work, I will rub the tomato and the sugar in my face before taking my shower. At least I will rub it, leave it like 10 to 15 minutes before taking my shower to wash it out. Then in the evening, after coming back from my stressing day of work, I will still do this, apply the same thing in the evening. After doing that, I now go to bed. Like that, my face look more fresher and more.
But as for me, I've been battling with pimples, which are one of the major problems that I do have on my face. Then until I started making use of turmeric, yes, I did the video some time ago. In case if you are interested, I'll leave the link below, so that anytime you want to watch about it, or you are interested, you want to know how to use turmeric and other ingredients that I use to clear off your pimples from your face, you can click on it and you will watch it. So after I'm done using turmeric, then I still notice some marks on my face, some pimples marks on my face, which she introduced me to using of tomatoes and sugar. I didn't know about it only when she told me. So I started applying it on my face, and to be honest with you guys, it has been very, very effective and also good. So that is why we will have to show you people how to use tomato and sugar for your face scrub, in case if you are having things like wrinkles. It can also help to reduce the rate of wrinkles on your face. If you want your face to be bright, yes, it's very good. If you have dull skin, these tomatoes and sugar will help to brighten your skin. Then if you have maybe pimples, rashes, anything that you have that, yes, it can help to reduce oil quantity on your face. So tomatoes and sugar, they are very, very good. That is what we'll be showing you people now. That is what we are going to be showing you guys now. So she will be the one to tell you people what to do, how to put it and how to use it. So let's go there. So the tomatoes, just get a tomato. What you need most is the juice, right?
Yeah.
What you need most is the juice. Then you get your sugar.
Yes.
This sugar. So what are you going to do
You
next?
apply the sugar on top of the tomato like this.
Okay.
You will put the sugar.
No, I'm not seeing it. It's sugar. On top
of the tomato.
Okay. A little bit.
A little bit of sugar, not too much. Then you apply it on your face. You will scrub it on your face.
And mostly focus on those places that are more affected by pimples, or the place you want to do major work on. So you focus on those places. Then also you have to be scrubbing it gently. Don't scrub it with force, otherwise the sugar, you know that the sugar is a bit sharp. It might give you injuries on your face. So you'll be doing it little by little. Yeah, do it gently. Okay, what about the under eye?
Yes, you scrub the under eye. You know that there is where it is more showing how you are stressed.
Yeah.
Those places sometimes are getting black.
Yeah.
You need to focus there and scrub it, but not too hard. You just little by little. Now it's okay.
So you have to leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes to dry up, so that the juice will penetrate into your skin very well. Okay.
You can see.
A few moments later.
So after, you must have allowed it to stay on your face for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next, you go wash it with a lukewarm water. Then after that, you have to pat it with your face towel or a napkin or anything. Just use it to pat the water to reduce the water on your face a bit. Then after that, you can now apply any lotion, that means your cream, or you can use oil. Like for us, we are using Moroccan face oil. You can use it. You can use coconut oil. Have it. You can use coconut oil. You can use any oil, just a little bit of it. Just rub it on your face, just to keep your face moisturized and make it look more shiny and more beautiful and okay. So guys,
you will rub the oil for those parts that are more affected.
Okay.
You will rub it very well. Do massage your face with the oil.
Okay.
When you massage your face with the oil for your face to be more relaxed for those parts that are more affected,
then that will be for it. So please, if you like this video, thumb up. Then if you have any question, just leave it in the comment below. I will attend to all questions. Then please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, for that anytime we upload video more like this, you will be the first to be notified. Just subscribe to the channel, then click on that notification bell, so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first to notify, you will be the first to watch our video. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you.